वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं दी वेरी फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल फ्रॉम दी एक्सरसाइज फॉर द चैप्टर साउंड, जो कि है 8th चैप्टर फॉर 11th स्टैंडर्ड फिजिक्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन सेज a certain sound wave in air has a speed of 340 meters per second and wavelength is 1.7 meters for this particular wave. Then calculate A, the frequency of this wave, and second, that is the B is the period, that is time period for this particular wave. A very simple question with a very simple formulas. देखते हैं. सबसे पहले let's write all the given data जो हमें दिया है in the question. First quantity जो given है, that is the speed of our wave. So speed of our wave का symbol है small v and this is said to be 340 meters per second. And as you can see, both the units are in SI units, so no need for conversion as of now. सेकेंड क्वांटिटी जो गिवन है इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज रिगार्डिंग द वेवलेंथ ऑफ आवर वेव. सो वेवलेंथ का हमारा सिंबल है लैम्डा एंड दिस वेवलेंथ इज सेड टू बी 1.7 मीटर्स. अगेन मीटर इज एन एसआई यूनिट, सो नो नीड फॉर यूनिट कन्वर्जन as of now. And इसके अलावा और कोई क्वांटिटी तो दिया नहीं है क्वेश्चन पे. So now let's move on to our next section of the question, that is our to find section. So what are we required to find? Well, we are required to find two quantities. The first quantity जो हमसे पूछा है, that is the frequency of the wave, and frequency का symbol is n, that is the small n in this chapter. So ये हमें ढूंढना है. एंड जो सेकंड क्वांटिटी ढूंढना है, दैट इज द टाइम पीरियड. ठीक है, सो हमसे पूछा है टाइम पीरियड एंड उसका सिंबल इज कैपिटल टी. सो टाइम पीरियड एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी, ऐसे दो क्वांटिटीज हमसे पूछा है. Now let's try to understand what sort of formulas we can use to calculate frequency and time period using the velocity and wavelength. So first, जो सबसे फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला जो हमने इस चैप्टर में पढ़ा था, दैट इज द फॉर्मूला दैट एस्टैब्लिशेस द रिलेशन बिटवीन द वेलोसिटी एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी and the wavelength, that is v is equal to n times lambda, that is frequency into wavelength का multiplication. So यहाँ पर velocity available है, lambda available है, so frequency we can find out. Now second quantity is time period. Now time period का formula using frequency हम ढूंढ सकते हैं, because time period is nothing but 1 upon n, where n, small n, is our frequency. So the flow of the question will be, using the values of v and lambda, we'll find n first and then substitute this value in this equation to get our time period, and then we'll be done with our question. So let's start. हमारे पास formula है, data है. Let's start with the calculation. So the first statement I'm going to make in calculation is that from formula 1, so I'll just write from formula 1, we can say that the frequency is velocity divided by wavelength, because velocity is n lambda. Now v and lambda की value हमें दिया है question में, so let us substitute all those values. So the velocity is said to be 340 meters per second and lambda is said to be 1.7. Now what I can do is I can try to get rid of this decimal point. So मैं ऊपर भी 10 से multiply करूँगा, नीचे भी 10 से. So 340 into 10 is 3400 and 1.7 into 10 gives us 17. So now we can cancel out. So 17 ones are and 17 twos are 34. So हमारी जो frequency की value after calculation, that comes out to be 200, and the unit for our frequency, well, it's hertz. So Hz, that is the units for our frequency. So हमारा part 1 of the question is done. Now let us do the part 2 of the question. So for part 2, I'll make another statement, that is from our formula number 2. So formula number 2. And what is this formula number 2? Well, formula number 2 tells us the time period of our wave is equal to 1 upon small n. And the value of n we're going to use is from this equation. So I'll just write this as equation number 1. So now I can say that time period is equal to 1 upon 200. And this we know because from equation 2 we know that n is 200. Okay, so now let's try to calculate this and find our time period. So 1 upon 200 can be written as 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 2, and 1 upon 2 in terms of decimal can be written as 0.5 and into 10 raised to minus 2. So our time period is 0.005 seconds, as we are calculating time period and seconds is the unit for our time period. So इसी के साथ हमारी जो second quantity है वो भी हमने find out कर दी है, and that's it, we are done. हमने जो है फ्रीक्वेंसी और टाइम पीरियड दोनों ही ढूंढ लिया है फॉर आवर साउंड वेव विच वाज आस्क्ड इन आवर क्वेश्चन. If you want the PDF of the solution, make sure to check the link given in the description. Have a nice day.